Hi, everybody. Thanks for checking in today. Today, we're going to be talking about our trip out to Turkey Kearn Lake, which again is mid-Missouri. It's going to be southeast of Warrensburg, Missouri, if you're familiar with that, south of Whiteman Air Force Base. Not too far from Windsor, but here's a lake that we fished here in this bigger lake here. But if you check it out, there's going to be two lakes. And rumor has it there's some good fishing here, some good frog fishing back here in the smaller lake. We never did make it to that lake just yet, but we will someday. But we did fish this main lake here. Got a nice boat ramp. We started off here on this north edge, which we found to be really shallow, even back into this area here on this point. But if you can see these standing trees on Google Earth here, these are all in pretty good water. So we fished pretty hard here, caught a lot of fish, and I was really happy with the quality of the fish and would definitely go back to this lake, check it out if I'm in the area. We ended up moving over here to these other standing trees in the water over here in the corner. Didn't quite do as well here. Fished along this dam back to the boat ramp to finish up. It was a good day. I had Jackson with me today, so we had a great time just hanging out doing some fishing. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the video. Today's a special day, everybody. I've got my first guest on the YouTube channel. His name's Jackson Munder. Tell me a little bit about yourself, Jackson.
I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. I'm really good at, it's a fun fact, I'm really good at catching fish that I'm not supposed to. That's my fun fact. And I'm really good at not bringing